The following message is transmitted at the request of the Centers for Disease Control and Prevention. A new prion has been spotted and has started infecting people in the state of Pennsylvania. This prion is called HNB-150. HNB-150 is an extremely dangerous and infectious prion. But as of right now, that is all we discovered. If you are in Pennsylvania, the state is currently going into lockdown. If you are spotted outside between the hours of 7 p.m. to 7 a.m., you will be detained. That is all. We will update you if there is any more information about this developing situation.